This is a better video with better light. Let me show you this. See where all my tools are. Like I said, kept the tools I use. Sold everything I don't need. See, isn't that cute? And you could somehow, some way, gotta lower this down. And this, I don't know how the damn thing works. There it is. See that? It opens up like some kind of tackle box from a forgotten era. Now, well, like magic, I took those off. Reveals this big deep bend. See more of the wheels. Jacob's ladder. Well, that's all she wrote for this video. You can get these at Home Depot. They lock together. This is the locking mechanism to lock each one together, and then you can wheel it around. This handle goes like up. And thank you.